We're developing an innovative ship drive system that's extremely low emission, that has to be built in America because of the Jones Act, and that will hugely expand the markets for American shipping because it will allow ships to come into the dock without a tugboat assist. It will virtually eliminate 80% of the tugboats in America.
My name is Suzanne. I'm a part of this incredible group. I'm here to support my husband and my son, and I'm in charge of public relations and outreach. And please check out oceanpeople.org to see our history of boat building. For the last 6 years, we've been building with my husband. He's been building boats since the early 70s.
I'm Jack Friend, young buck. I'm also the CFO, and I've been apprenticing with my dad in boat building for the last 6 years, and we're ready to revolutionize modern shipping.
Aloha.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Thank you for considering us.